When it comes to home improvements, few upgrades have as much impact as custom windows. Not only do they enhance the aesthetics of your home, but they also improve its functionality, energy efficiency, and overall value. For homeowners in Dallas, custom windows provide the perfect opportunity to personalize your living space while maximizing comfort and performance. Whether you're building a new home, renovating your current space, or replacing old windows, custom windows are a smart investment that can transform your home in more ways than one. In this article, we'll explore how custom windows in Dallas can enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your home, offering a range of benefits that go beyond just looks. Tailored to your home's style. One of the most significant advantages of custom windows is the ability to tailor them to match your home's unique style. In a city like Dallas, where homes range from traditional to modern, custom windows offer endless possibilities to suit any architectural design. Whether you have a classic Tudor home, a sleek mid-century modern design, or a contemporary urban loft, custom windows can be crafted to complement the aesthetic of your property. Custom windows come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and finishes, allowing you to choose the perfect style for your home. You can opt for traditional double-hung windows, elegant casement windows, or sleek sliding windows. Additionally, custom windows allow you to choose from a wide range of materials, including wood, vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum, each offering different looks and levels of maintenance. With custom windows, you can bring your vision to life and create a cohesive look that enhances your home's curb appeal. Improved energy efficiency. In Dallas, where the weather can be extreme, energy efficiency is a top priority for many homeowners. Custom windows can significantly improve your home's energy performance by reducing drafts, heat loss, and air infiltration. Many custom windows are built with double or triple glazing, which helps to insulate your home by trapping air between the panes of glass. This added insulation reduces the amount of heat transferred between the inside and outside of your home, keeping your interior more comfortable year-round. Moreover, custom windows can be equipped with low-E coatings, which reflect heat from the sun during the summer and keep warmth inside during the winter. This feature helps regulate the temperature inside your home, making it easier to maintain a comfortable environment without overworking your HVAC system. By installing custom windows, you can improve your home's energy efficiency, lower your utility bills, and reduce your carbon footprint. Enhanced natural light and ventilation. Custom windows allow you to maximize natural light and ventilation in your home. With the ability to design windows that fit specific spaces, you can ensure that each room gets the right amount of light and fresh air. Whether you want larger windows to flood your living room with sunlight or a set of smaller windows in the kitchen for optimal airflow, custom windows provide the flexibility to achieve your desired outcome. In addition, custom windows can be strategically placed to enhance the flow of air throughout your home. Proper ventilation can help reduce humidity, prevent mold buildup, and improve indoor air quality. By increasing the amount of fresh air circulating through your home, custom windows not only improve comfort but also contribute to a healthier living environment. Increased home value and curb appeal. Custom windows can also increase the value of your home. When potential buyers see high-quality, stylish windows that are both functional and energy efficient, they'll recognize the added value of your home. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to make a long-term investment, custom windows are a great way to boost your property's resale value. Additionally, custom windows can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal. With windows that are designed to fit your home's style, you'll create a cohesive and inviting exterior that stands out in your neighborhood. Whether it's a dramatic picture window that frames your view, a set of bay windows that add character to your living room, or sleek modern windows that complement a contemporary design, custom windows can elevate the look of your home and make it more attractive to potential buyers. Low maintenance and durability. Custom windows are built to last. When you choose high-quality materials like fiberglass or vinyl, you'll benefit from windows that are resistant to weathering, fading, and rot. These materials are also low maintenance, requiring only occasional cleaning to maintain their appearance and performance. Unlike traditional wooden windows, which can warp or rot over time, custom windows made from durable materials ensure that you don't have to worry about constant upkeep. In Dallas, where the weather can be harsh, having windows that are built to withstand the elements is essential. Custom windows are designed with durability in mind, so they can handle heat, humidity, and other environmental factors without compromising their function or appearance. This means that you'll enjoy the beauty and performance of your custom windows for years to come, with minimal maintenance. Noise reduction and comfort. Another benefit of custom windows is their ability to reduce noise pollution from the outside. If you live in a busy area of Dallas, such as near a major roadway or commercial district, you know how disruptive outside noise can be. Custom windows with soundproofing features, such as double or triple glazing and acoustic glass, can help block out unwanted noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful living space. The ability to control the amount of noise entering your home enhances comfort and privacy, making custom windows a smart choice for homes in noisy environments. By installing windows that are specifically designed for noise reduction, you can create a more serene atmosphere in your home. Conclusion. Custom windows in Dallas offer a unique combination of aesthetic appeal, functionality, and energy efficiency. Whether you're looking to enhance the appearance of your home, reduce your energy costs, or create a more comfortable living environment, custom windows are an excellent investment. With their ability to increase natural light, improve ventilation, and provide long-lasting durability, custom windows can transform your home and add significant value. If you're ready to enhance your home's aesthetics and functionality, consider upgrading to custom windows. With the right design and features, custom windows can improve your home's performance, comfort, and overall appeal, making it a more enjoyable place to live for years to come.